and we're gonna run into a car.
Hey guys, I'm Rhiannon.
And I'm Jordan.
Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna be exploring London.
We only had a couple days there. We do have our rental car. So we explored quite a few unique bars and restaurants.
We got on the hop-on, hop-off bus and explored the city in a day.
And then we drove out to Stonehenge.
If you're interested in seeing more of this adventure, just keep watching. After 3 attempts, we finally made it into the Sky Garden. It's a free thing that you can do in London, but you just have to make reservations online.
It's very busy.
We came early in the morning. Apparently it's a lot easier to get in at that time. We tried yesterday afternoon and they said they weren't taking any more walk-ins until 6, and it was 5 o'clock. There was already a really long line.
So we got an insider tip that we should be here before 11 and we can come in and just do a walk through. We're gonna grab some breakfast and enjoy the views.
It's really beautiful. You can see about 360-degree views of London from here. It's great. Definitely a must-do. Tower Bridge. It was built in 1894. The bridge raises about 1,000 times a year.
Do you want to get off here or stay right there?
Stay warmer.
Between the train and the platform.
This is King's Cross Pancras.
So we're at King's Cross, St. Pancras Station. If you're a big Harry Potter fan, this is where platform 9 3/4 are.
So we're inside, there's a little bar in the tunnel. It's called Draughts Waterloo. You can come, grab a beer, grab a game, sit at the table and play. You pay £6 to play the games, and reservations are encouraged because it's a popular place.
As you can see behind us, they have so many games. It's pretty incredible. Cheers.
We're at the Alchemist in London. I ordered the legal one. Just got to Stonehenge. We're really excited to learn a little bit more about it.
It's a World Heritage Site. It's really pretty amazing to see. Our quick trip to London. We packed a lot into quite a few days. Finished it off with a drive out to Stonehenge.
There's so much to do in this city, and we hope you enjoyed our recommendations.
If you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Until then,
Stay curious. Cheers.